Hi guys, in today's short vlog I'll tell you how you can upgrade your navigation system, the maps, in your BMW. It's very fast, plus you can save some money. So what you will need is a computer. It doesn't matter if it's a Mac or regular computer with Windows. You will need USB key or any empty medium, and obviously a car. So I have already upgraded my car. It's a X6 2010. This one is my beloved mom's car. It's X6 2011, something like that. And we'll be using 2019 maps. So first thing what you need to do, I do recommend to go to the car and turn on the navigation system. Go to a screen where you have maps, click options, and I'm sorry it's in Slovak, but all you need to do is go to the version of the navigation system and click OK. First three lines are not important, the fourth line is important. It's Europe Premium 2011. So we'll be upgrading this one. And sometimes it's not really needed. Some of the websites can tell you what sort of version of the map you are running based on your last 7 digits of the serial number or VIN number. But you know, just to be absolutely sure, I prefer to be in the car, have a look on your version of the navigation system, and you're directly there. Then what you need to do, you need to go online. I have inserted 2 links. I have used both of them. One link I have used, it's American company I have used for my car. The UK company I have used for this car. And you will need to have your last 7 digits of your serial or VIN number. Plus, now you know what's your navigation system version. So you have all the infos that you can fill in and put into the shopping basket. There are usually 2 options you can choose: lifetime code or one-time code. Obviously it is what it is. In case you want, you can purchase a lifetime code. It's specially generated code based on your last 7 digits, and they will send it to your email account. And then basically all you need to do is download the maps. Once you have the maps downloaded, once you have the code, all you need to do is unzip or unrar or unpack it to your medium. I'm using USB 32 gigabytes. Now, in terms of the pricing, this one is somewhere around 30 euros to have it done by you. When you are in a BMW service, they can charge you, depends on the country, depends on the region, but here in Europe it's somewhere around 100 euros, plus you need to go to the service. And that's why I said, like, you can save some money because this is 30 euros, plus you can save a time, so you don't have to go to the dealer. Now, when you have it unpack on your USB, all you need to do, open the glove box and insert the USB stick in there. Do not use the USB charger or plug-in here as armrest. Use the glove box. So now it says run the update, plus I have the FSC code. So now it's running. Last time it took me like good 30 minutes to update the maps, and then you need to wait a little bit till the whole system kind of, you know, starts again. So this is the super easy, time-saving, money-saving upgrade you can do. Plus, in case you are having the same car with the same navigation system, all you need to do is just download once the maps. Basically, if you buy a lifetime code, you don't have to ask for generation of the new code. So either you will find somewhere the maps for free, which is I think possible, or simply just buy a new update and you can run it on 2 or whatever, how many cars you are in a group, or you know, group of friends or whatever. So hopefully you know how to do it. In case you have any questions, just write them into the comments. And you know what? Remember, always have fun. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe.